Toyota Crown sets the bar for premium sedans. With its distinct lift-up appearance and an all-hybrid electric powertrain lineup, this icon redefines the sedan across all fronts. Available in 3 grades, XLE, Limited, and Platinum, all of which come standard with all-wheel drive, Toyota Crown emphasizes upscale appointments, comfort, and performance wrapped in an eye-catching package unlike anything else. Let's take a closer look and see what makes this head-turner such an enticing choice for drivers. When it comes to performance, Toyota Crown delivers thanks to its all-hybrid electric powertrain lineup. This starts with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid electric system on XLE and Limited, which is rated at 236 net combined horsepower. On the other hand, Toyota Crown Platinum prioritizes maximum performance thanks to its Hybrid Max powertrain. It features a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine coupled with a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission and an electric motor. This performance hybrid electric system generates a hearty 340 net combined horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque for instantaneous response and incredible acceleration every time the driver pushes the accelerator pedal. No matter the grade, all of the Toyota Crown's power is paired with confidence-inspiring traction and control thanks to its standard all-wheel drive systems. XLE and Limited use electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, which can distribute front and rear-wheel driving force from 100 to 0 to 20 to 80, balancing performance and efficiency. Meanwhile, the Platinum grade's full-time electronic all-wheel drive system puts a greater emphasis on directing more power to the rear wheels, highlighting its focus on a performance-oriented driving sensation. To achieve that, the front and rear-wheel driving force distribution ranges from 70 to 30 to 20 to 80 for a sportier, more engaging experience. On top of that, Toyota Crown Platinum comes standard with an adaptive variable suspension system that adds Sport Plus and Comfort drive modes, the former of which remaps throttle response and tightens up handling for an even more exhilarating drive. In contrast, the latter softens the suspension, elevating Toyota Crown's premium ride comfort. This upscale experience also gets paired with stellar efficiency. Toyota Crown's XLE and Limited grades are rated at an EPA estimated 41 miles per gallon combined, while Platinum has an EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon combined. Toyota Crown stands out thanks to its unique lift-up design and coupe-like silhouette. Standard LED exterior lighting further enhances this distinctive appearance, adding more sportiness to the overall style, which is further amplified by the available 21-inch alloy wheels on the Limited and Platinum grades. That's not all. Toyota Crown Platinum maximizes its head-turning potential with available bi-tone exterior colors, enabling it to stand out even more. Lastly, an available panoramic fixed-glass roof complements Toyota Crown's design, opening the cabin up to even more natural light. Comfort plays a key role in Toyota Crown's interior story. This starts with standard heated 8-way power-adjustable front seats and standard dual-zone automatic climate control. For an even more premium experience, Limited and Platinum grades include ventilated front seats, heated outboard rear seats, and a heated steering wheel, giving occupants more ways to stay pampered on long drives. Complementing these comfort-enhancing features are conveniences like the smart key system that make entering and exiting the vehicle even simpler. For an even more effortless drive, Digital Key is available on select Toyota Crown grades. With an active Remote Connect trial or subscription, Digital Key enables owners to use their smartphones instead of a physical key to operate the vehicle. Toyota Crown features the newest technologies from Toyota. Every grade comes standard with the latest Toyota audio multimedia platform with the 12.3-inch touchscreen, and includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. All grades also come with trials to Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. The limited and platinum grades elevate the multimedia experience even higher with an 11-speaker JBL premium audio system, while 5 USB ports and a standard vertically oriented Qi-compatible wireless charger keeps mobile devices charged up on long trips. Finally, a standard 12.3-inch digital multi-information display puts key information in the driver's line of sight. Safety and convenience play a major role in Toyota Crown's tech story. That's why every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. On top of that, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert is also standard for added convenience on every drive, while front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and the panoramic view monitor help enhance driver confidence when maneuvering in tight spaces. What's more, Toyota Crown's available Advanced Park helps make fitting into tight parking spaces easier. And to further help improve driver awareness on the road, available front cross-traffic alert, available lane change assist, and available traffic jam assist add an extra layer of convenience in the most congested road conditions. Thanks to its distinct style, all-hybrid performance and efficiency, and latest technology, Toyota Crown backs up its good looks with electrified power, all while redefining what's expected of a premier mainstream sedan. Best of all, every Toyota Crown includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, and 2-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Plus, since every variant is a hybrid electric vehicle, it includes a hybrid system warranty covering select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first, making this unmistakable vehicle a strong choice for long-term ownership. When all of these factors are taken together, it's clear that Toyota Crown is a leader, a uniquely electrified flagship with style, performance, and technology. Want to learn more? Discover Toyota Crown today on Toyota.com.